Germany's Rheinmetall AG is rapidly cementing its position as a key player in NATO's artillery supply network by significantly scaling up munitions manufacturing in both Germany and Spain. On April 17, 2025, CEO Armin Papperger revealed to Handelsblatt that the company's Underlust site in Lower Saxony is set to increase production to 350,000 artillery rounds annually, an ambitious leap from the previously intended 200,000. This move propels the facility to become the second largest of its kind in Europe and signals Rheinmetall's strategic pivot to meet the continent's shifting defense needs, largely shaped by the ongoing conflict in Ukraine. A €600 million infusion into the Underlust plant will supercharge its production of NATO standard 155mm shells while also enabling the annual output of 1,900 tons of RDX high explosive. The facility, already equipped to produce rocket propulsion systems and possibly warheads, operates with a workforce of about 500 and plays a critical role in bolstering Germany's and NATO's defensive posture. But Rheinmetall's vision stretches beyond Germany's borders. In a major acquisition finalized in August 2023, the company took over Spanish arms producer Expo Systems for $1.3 billion. The deal greatly expanded Rheinmetall's production footprint, with the Spanish site already undergoing enhancements and projected to reach an annual capacity of 450,000 shells, surpassing all other European facilities. Like the German plant, the Spanish site concentrates on producing 155mm ammunition, a backbone of NATO and Ukrainian artillery capabilities. This two-pronged manufacturing strategy across Germany and Spain highlights Rheinmetall's push to become a central pillar in Europe's rearmament drive. The Expo acquisition doesn't just increase volume, it also adds flexibility, allowing faster delivery and better supply chain resilience amid geopolitical uncertainty. The urgency behind this expansion is directly linked to the war in Ukraine, where artillery has been a decisive factor. The conflict has exposed critical shortages in global ammunition stockpiles, as the daily demand for shells on the front lines runs into the tens of thousands. NATO allies have struggled to keep Ukraine supplied while also preserving their own readiness. This imbalance has prompted widespread efforts to revitalize Europe's munitions output. Rheinmetall is emerging at the forefront of that effort, with expansion projects underway not only in Germany and Spain but also in Eastern Europe. New production facilities are being developed in Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, Denmark, and even Ukraine, where a plant is set to be operational by 2026. These developments underscore a continent-wide recalibration of military industry, and Rheinmetall is positioning itself as a linchpin in that transformation. Adding to this momentum, the company is negotiating with Volkswagen to repurpose its Osnabrück automotive plant for defense production, an example of how Rheinmetall is leveraging Germany's industrial assets to accelerate military output. In the eyes of defense analysts and NATO planners, Rheinmetall's large-scale artillery push is more than just a manufacturing surge. It marks a paradigm shift in how Europe is preparing for future conflicts, by rebuilding its munitions infrastructure, redistributing production across borders, and ensuring that no battlefield is left undersupplied. As artillery once again becomes the dominant force in modern warfare, Rheinmetall's growing influence could shape the trajectory of Europe's military readiness for years to come.